show of 2022. Happy New Year, everybody. So I think we'll just be, of course, just looking around. She got a whole wish list.
Checking the scene out, seeing their prices out here.
Yes.
We finna head to Pasadena, a little outskirt. To me, it's still Houston, but it's just an extra part on the east side.
We will be wearing our mask if you can't hear it or it sounds fuzzy or something, because
COVID jumping out here.
yeah. Yes.
It's jumping out here. Texas, we up on that COVID shit right now, so we just gonna be safe and enjoy our time out here doing what we like to do.
Yeah.
Be safe about it. We'll put swingers on that little truck.
Oh my god. And a fifth wheel.
Ooh. Let me catch up.
We kind of been limited where we're going just because like we want to stay safe even though we are fully vaccinated. And we also have kids that we don't want to bring that home to. So, and then family as well. So we're gonna wear our masks, and then I'll take as much footage as I can. Like I said, I'll try to connect the mic a certain way, but hopefully y'all will be able to hear us, because this is our first time going to this gun show, so we really don't know like what the inside is like or how big or small like this little facility is. So of course when we get there we'll start filming, and then we will go from there. Emotional support. Look at this one.
Do they mold to it?
I don't know.
Yeah, they do.
We can remote these.
Oh, look.
Oh, that's a good
Yeah, so let's say you get rid of this gun, I'm going to, but if you decide you want to switch this whole thing to a different gun, we're going to do that for $10 piece. Do it over and over and over.
My baby right there. What is this one? That's the Rona.
It looks bigger in
kinda
person.
big, yeah.
Yeah, it looks way bigger.
I thought it was smaller. That thing is heavy too. I thought it was way smaller.
Yeah, it looks smaller.
Yeah, that's the one. Anything I can help you guys with? Oh, just checking it out right now. Thank you.
How much y'all asking for it? $7.79. What brand?
Oh,
That's a
FPE.
Yeah, that's what I was talking
SMC
about.
they come with. This is their
It's like
newest
not
model.
too bad.
Yeah,
A few people in
kinda
reviews
sorta.
online
So
had
many
issues
people
with
looking
the
at that one
original
today.
trigger.
Yeah, this
What
one
is
They're
is.
calling the Gen 2 model, but
It's
only
nice.
comes
That's a
with
good
inside.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Comes with the,
I've had a lot of people looking at that. My
compensator system, blow the gas
husband
out
about
the top,
talked
that
the
way you get
guy
less barrel
into
movement.
this one.
They
He
upgrade
Which
actually
one is
was
that?
That one is really nice too.
This is new. He can tell you more about it. This is a Frank. You want to tell this lady about this? I tell you what. It's a Zev, and I don't know much about them. This is new to me.
I'm gonna make it real easy.
What you got?
Go
Make it
look,
easy for me.
just go on your phone. Go look for an OZ9.
OZ9.
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
this is.
That's it.
Okay.
So it's Zev Technology. See here?
ZEV.
OZ9.
And that one just came out?
Yeah. Go look for Zev OZ9.
Okay.
Comparable.
They run 1880, 1870 to 1900 something bucks.
Okay.
I'm gonna
That's
sell
what
it
we
my cost
Yeah.
$1,400.
Okay.
Trying to get them out. But she was the reason why I asked you to come and tell her about them, because a lot
Oh, I
of people
thought
have been
she was
looking at
talking
that.
about
Yes, she is. No, but I said a lot of people have been looking at this one today, and you were comparing them with these.
No, there's no comparison.
No, this is a better gun.
That's better.
When I bought this one,
Oh, well, that's why. I see. I didn't know. That's why.
Ask her what I told her earlier. Who's gonna get it?
Oh, that's my husband. He says, if you don't sell it today, he said, I'm taking it. Keeping it. I was like, oh. I gotta sell it.
Shoot, I don't blame him. Yeah, I've been seeing these a lot. It looks way better in person. That's really nice.
You're welcome to hold them, handle them, do whatever you need to do. And let me know. This is just like, I like to be able to know something about guns, but then I was like, I don't know what this is. Feels nice, looks nice.
Yeah, yeah. For sure. Oh, it's light.
It's
Yeah. It's light.
Yeah, they got the tips already.
Oh yeah. That thing is awesome. That feels good in the hand. That's a nice grip too. With the thumb safety. And it's big.
It is. Like it's just
I've
it's
got
got
a
room
wide
in
hand, I guess, for a woman's hand, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm wide through here, and I can't stand when I pick up a gun, and my pinky's always like, boing, boing.
Yes.
You want your whole,
But mine's are small.
Whole hand on
you
there.
want to
This
be able
is
to put your whole hand
Yeah.
on it. I mean, it's going to be a more accurate, shot and everything.
yeah, for sure.
You're not going to have
For sure. Yeah, this is nice. That's a really good one. I like that a lot. That's that 57. Yeah, 5.7.
Yes.
You don't want to take this one.
I heard you gonna keep it, so I'm gonna let you win that one.
I'll take it all day. Trust me.
No. He thinks, oh.
Please. That full metal is different.
That one's heavy.
Yeah, pick it up.
He's starting a whole gun
And
business.
then try that Ronin too. And
Heavy.
that's supposed to be the smallest one.
Like that one? Yeah.
Yeah, when it came
I
out, I
know.
was like, man, that thing is tiny. Like,
Yep.
when it came out, I was like, God, this thing is little. But in person,
It's not really.
it's not really
It
small.
looks like a regular size.
Yeah.
For tiny little compact carries, these are my favorite. I love the Kimbers.
Oh, yeah.
I've got that one. I
Yeah.
mean, for a little,
I got this one right here.
Do you?
Yeah.
I mean, if you're carrying
That's
it on
my
your
absolute
waist,
favorite right there.
Yeah, this one is really small.
or ankle, yeah, I like those.
The
Kimbers
yeah.
are always good.
Uh-huh.
Perfect, accurate
Good
shot
guns.
all day long.
Yep.
I hear you.
Yeah, it's mine.
And this thing is clean.
I know, I was looking at that.
Oh, look.
This thing clean right here.
No, nines.
What they shooting of? 5.56.
Oh, this one.
This looks like a little toy.
It do.
Look at this one. Oh my god.
That's
Yeah,
the
right
one
here.
right there.
That's me.
This one going crazy. Wow.
That's a nice finish on here.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, this is cool, man. This is cool.
This is a pretty purple.
Hell yeah, looks like some rainbow six Hey, let's go. You can really like. We're doing 100 off those. You know what I mean?
It's pretty.
What is this one?
223. No, it's 300.
300 blackout?
300 blackout.
Yeah.
Timber Creek.
Yeah.
Bolt release. It has ambi safety. It has anti-rotation pin set.
Okay.
It has nickel boron BCG, nitride barrel, extended mag release, ambi safety, extended takedown pins, flip up
Flip up
sights,
sights, yeah.
extended charging handle, sling release here and here,
Oh, man.
and it's all billet. So yeah, it's got everything.
Everything.
You're gonna have a long wish list.
Also the foregrip,
Yep.
so, which you can position anywhere, whatever's comfortable to you.
How many it take? This 30 rounds?
30.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a super nice one.
Yeah, this one is clean. I love this one. And that one too.
Yeah, that's cool too. That changes colors in the sun.
Flip flop, huh?
Yeah, it'll go different colors in the sun. You can see it kind of change in the light there.
Yeah, yeah. Look like it go purple a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Dang.
I'm saying it goes
It looks
different
green
colors.
when you like stand on top
Yes.
of it. Like right in front of it.
Yeah, but in the
green.
sun it really pops. It's like,
Mhm.
whoa, you can see it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I like that. Hold down right there.
Oh, look at this one.
Love this. Love this. Dang.
That is really nice.
The grip gotta change though. That's aggressive. But that thing is hard.
Oh yeah, it's hard.
That's gonna eat up in your hand.
That's really
But this
hard.
thing is nice. 3,100.
That's really good.
Oh yeah.
Something like the one you already got.
Yeah. Oh, look at these. I love these. You see that? I can't remember exactly what it's called, but those are really good. That's a good steal. Look at, you need this.
No, I don't need that. I really don't. It's a bad idea.
Don't use it on me.
That's a bad idea. Look, this like when get him a little smaller.
If you're looking for the best deal, you should probably Google that one.
It's pretty. I love that one.
That one all day long is $1,200 gun. And that's off of Google. That's not me telling. I'm telling you. You can look it up, and it'll tell you. It really is.
That's the home defense. There. That's the draft.
It's 700 before tax. I think it's 757 after tax. 757.
I'm saying we haven't talked before.
Got it in red.
44 Magnums. 40s. I need a big old stupid box like that.
$249.
Jesus.
That's crazy.
Glocks. Glock 17. That's really thick in the grip.
Y'all looking for a weapon?
Yeah, we just checking it all out.
That's the one you've been looking for.
Yes, this on my list. So.
Yeah,
Ooh, yeah.
I'm looking for a mechanic myself.
Ooh. Yeah, that feel good.
Yeah.
That feel good in the hand. I think this. No, it was said. It was said. That is the Elite Combat.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, this is a go. Just because of how it feel in my hand, like.
You can mount a sight.
Look at the sight.
Yeah, that thing is glowing. Oh yeah. 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 What he got it for? Oh.
It is worth noting the sights on these.
Yeah.
There is the backup. There is the backup
Definitely
sight.
from
Little rear notch in the front post.
nice. It's that M&P that you like. The thumb safety.
Like these sites.
And that white, you put the white between the things.
It's really light.
Yeah.
That's a regular
Feel good in the
They
hand
all
too.
have, see, this
Fancy
one has a
with
little square with the green. So you line up the green right there equal to the square. And this one you line the white.
380?
Right between the notch. Right here. Yeah, see
Yeah.
the little white. So if your battery goes, you still have, you can still use your regular sight.
What's like that? 550 for the G3.
That's closed. That's
Looking at the Glock 17. Taurus. Got a Behringer. Oh Lord. I couldn't even, that ain't even enough grip to shoot how crazy this thing. 38 special. 157. I want that judge though. $450 not bad for that though. This one lighter than the 38 special. PC charger, this a new one from Ruger. Whoa, that's it.
Not the text. The one's the site. If you go to the site, yeah, that she had one at home. She would have got home text. And I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can. So I can have some. So she's like, I'm just going to find it and congestion. It's more like.
It's nice though.
Okay, so this
That
probably be
thing
the
look
only one that I
good.
get.
That thing look good like
Looks
that.
really cute.
Oh, it feels so good. It's 48, Glock 48. That thing feels awesome. I'm gonna go with the Beretta. 22s. Wow. Desert Eagle on our ass. Yes, sir.
Oh, look, we just seen this one earlier too.
Uh-huh. Life card.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Look, you got a TPI.
Nice and lubed up too. Got that pew pew. I gotta get one of these. That pew pew. That's the big. The one I want is a snug. Cool. I'll take this back way too. Wow. Cool, MG. That's the judge. $56, special. Can't go wrong with that. Another one right here. Snub nose though. Cowboys. It's heavy. Oh man, I gotta have this. You see this little thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh goodness. Oh, that's an ugly trigger pull. Ew. Ew.
This
Scrubs.
another 22 hour.
911, baby. Springfield. Oh, yeah, must be hurt.
That looks heavy.
No, it's actually
not?
light. Mhm.
It looks like it's heavy.
That thing is light. Surprisingly.
My first rifle is cute. This one,
You gotta get that for our boy.
Mm-hmm.
With the suppressor, too. This thing $3.99. Shooting 22s. That's all.
Oh, I love that color.
Another 22. All these are 22. Except that.
We seen this one earlier.
Mm-hmm. He had a lot of Harrys.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that grip. That's awesome. That's a good grip. Dang. That thing is, that's a good grip on that bad boy. Another one, Rock Island. Another Rock Island. All of these. I like this one. They're really nice. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go to Brandon.
Oh yeah, and there's a company that's got a tunable.
Look at these.
This is awesome.
Look.
This one you just have to spray.
Oh yeah. Oh man, I need this. Dang.
Yeah, these are sharp. You can put a much sharper edge on it.
Yeah.
And that one's really sharp.
Oh, that's nice. That is nice.
Get a rabbit claw, put it on your coffee table. Right at your fingertips.
Yeah. Love that. It's a nice little dagger.
Oh my God, how cute. Look at that.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are hand painted. It's hand painted on there.
Really?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's really cute.
Wow.
Okay, so this was day number 2 of the gun show. So majority of the tables were already gone and a lot of the guns are already purchased. So I'm pretty sure we didn't get to see everything that was possibly there. But as you can see, she was like, oh, I like this. Oh, I need that. Oh, I want that. So we got a long wish list for her. And I think that I need to make her sit down and put all these guns down so she can do a wish list and go through all of the ones that
Really, really.
yes,
Really, really.
there's so many and we still have so many to get, but for her, anytime you see something, I want it, I need it, I want it, I need it. So we'll,
Especially that lady with that little dagger thing.
yes,
I need that.
yes, all the knives excited her a lot.
Yeah.
So this wind is atrocious right now.
A couple of them 5.56s too.
They had I mean, from the ones that we seen were like some of the ones that we kind of already seen like before, but some of the ones that like she been saying that she wanted, she finally got to see it and hold it in person. So I guess they gave her a better idea of what, like make up her mind wise, like if she really want that or not.
Because that the Canik TP9 Elite Combat is gonna be mine, because now I held that thing in my hand. It feels so good. I got enough room. Pinky, everything is like perfect on that thing. So that's definitely getting caught. Like,
It's not as heavy as I thought it would
off
be either.
the rip, that one is getting caught.
You've been saying it for
A long time.
Yeah,
I've
it's
been
been
wanting
some
that
months
thing
now.
for a little minute, but I was like, contemplating. But yeah, that's for sure. That's like, you're gonna see me doing a review on that thing real soon. So
yeah. And then what was the one? The Zev? What did you say?
yes,
Zev?
it's a 0 point something he was saying. I can't recall, but we gonna look it up and see. He say the thing range from like $1,800 to $1,900. So and he was picking that one over the Canning, and I need to see. I gotta see what's up with those. So
I think we seen like one YouTube video mentioning that name of a gun or the brand, but I don't know if it was that particular one.
It's pretty expensive. That whoever that is, I can't even remember what he said. But,
and he said he was selling it for how much?
14.
Yeah, it had 1,800 on there, but I'm pretty sure like the show price there, he was letting it go for that much. But like he said, I'm pretty sure after today he gonna keep it because this is day number 2, and he was already saying that he wanted to keep it. So
yeah, he said if he didn't sell it, he was gonna keep that joint for himself.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure he got his wish today because it was still there.
Yeah.
And we got there an hour before they were getting ready to close too, so that's probably another reason why. A lot of people had already packed up and were in the process of packing up while we were still kind of walking around. So that's majority of the reason why we didn't get to see as much as we probably would have liked. But this is day number 2, so we got to see some good stuff. And I'm surprised at the Springfield, the Ronin. It looks way smaller on the internet, like way smaller. And a lot of the men that review the gun have big hands, so it looks small with them, but in person,
that thing is still big.
It's a normal, like a regular size gun.
Yeah.
Like regular size. And I was like, oh, that's perfect because my hands are little. But when we seen it in person today, I was like, this is just like everything else.
It's bigger than my Springfield. Like it's not a. I mean, I could see it being a 1911 compact, but we seen a few others in there that was still smaller than that Ronin. So
yeah, I thought it was like a drastic, like a really big difference, but it wasn't too much of a difference, honestly. It's still nice, but it's a regular size.
Yeah, it's really nice, but it's not compact like you would think. It's not like clean in the mug though.
I think the next gun show we'll probably go on the first day and a little bit earlier so that we could see everything, because this time day number 2, an hour before closing, we didn't see not much at all, but it was still nice to go. It was so nice. It was, the facility like inside it was really small. It's not as big as like I thought it would be, because the last one we went to, like I went to years ago, it was huge.
Yeah,
it was really big.
Like usually in the city limits they host one at the NRG, but this one we came out to Pasadena at their little convention center, and it is pretty small up in there compared to all of the other places around, but they host them the most there. Like it's always a gun show there. There was some good people in there though. Everybody was all cool.
Everybody's really nice.
All the vendors. Everybody was talkative and really nice, especially at the first table we stopped at.
They had a lot of conversation about what they had and stuff like that. But I think the husband was more so running in. She was like the greeter. She was talking to us a lot about just like random stuff and like they best sellers. But he was like the detailer because as you probably heard,
he knew about most of the firearms.
Hopefully the next one we go to, like I said, we get there early in day number 1 so we can see everything. Yep. And then we seen the one that I wanted, but it wasn't in that, what was it, dark earth? Deep earth? The coloration of the gun wasn't in that, was just all black. So, but at least I got to see how it physically looked.
That thing was really nice.
Yes. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, this short little gun show that we went to, and we will see y'all on the next video.
More shows coming. More guns, less problems.